Hello YouTube, welcome to your first HTML5 and CSS3 tutorial. I am Sadam Metrahat. This tutorial, I'm gonna show you about how to use HTML and CSS and also learn about the HTML5 features and CSS3 features. So let's start. What is HTML? The elaboration of the HTML is hypertext markup language. This is for markup or creating web pages of and web applications. Without HTML and CSS, we cannot create any web pages. So Tim Berners-Lee who create HTML. So then when we start coding, we will learn what is tag. You can understand this uh, can be two types. One is container tags, another is empty tags. In the container tags, there is a start and a closing tag, and the empty tag there is no closing tag, only a single tag. So there is a demonstration about the container tag like HTML start, HTML closed. We can close tag using slash. In the empty tag, there is only single tag. There is no closing tag. The empty tag is also called as a void tag. Okay, what is CSS? The elaboration of CSS is cascading style sheet. Uh, Basically, we use CSS for styling HTML content or HTML tags. This is used for styling. So there's some formal definition. The most visual style of the web page is that user interface writing in HTML. So who creates CSS? The W3C are created CSS, which means is World Wide Web Consortium. So, so what we need for HTML and CSS, we basically need a text editor like Notepad++ or Sublime Text, or there are a bunch of different text editor. You can use whatever you like. Uh, there Another thing is IDE. I only write IDEs WebStorm because I personally like WebStorm. This is very awesome and I recommend it to use WebStorm. So we are very close to the end of this slideshow, and how web work, because you have to know how web work because you are going to work with web technologies, so you have to know this how web work. So the client request for something like xyz.com, which file name is example.html. By using internet, client request to the internet, request this file by using internet, and use a protocol which name is HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, and hit hit in the server. So get me the file sample.html. So server identify the sample.html and he tell us sample.html is here, take it. Okay, and then by using internet we can find this file. So this is the process how we work. So let's code. Okay, with this very introductory tutorial I'm just show you the basic syntax of the HTML. So let's create a file. We named it is index, and the extension of this file will be HTML. Sure, yes. Let's open WebStorm and open this file. Index.html. If you use this WebStorm, use this IDE, you can feel this is really awesome. Okay, let's write. At the beginning we write doc type HTML. This means document type HTML. So you have to write this because this is a standard format given by the W3C, and there is a tag called HTML. It also have a start and ending position, ending tag. So this is a very basic of the HTML, and in here there are two parts. One is head, another is body. So in the head section we will write the meta tag, which I will tell you later, and the title of this website, or something, or link with external style sheet or the external JavaScript file, or bunch of things. I will show you this step by step. At first, because this is very introductory tutorial, I'll just write the title. Title, and title tag, this is title. Okay, this is my website title, and just write it something. In the HTML there is no predefined something like print or echo for printing something. Just write it hello world. It will show you in the browser, so just double click in here. See, this is hello world, and this is our title, site title, what we write in this code. So uh, in the next tutorial we will learn many things and how to use CSS or a bunch of things. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, just comment in the YouTube, and if you can also contact me at Facebook, Twitter. So the next video will be very soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.